Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Enotria the last song game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam. And now the Steam website will appear on the top, so just open up this website. And once you open it, now you'll see the login option on the right hand top. Just click on the login option. And guys, here just sign into your account. And if you don't have an account, then just create an account. After that, you will see the install Steam option on the top, so just click on that install Steam. And now here guys, just download the Steam and install it into your PC. After you download and install the Steam, guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, just open up the Steam and log into your account. Then click on the top search box and just type here the Enotria the last song, and this game will appear on the top. So just click on this game. And here in this page, just scroll down and you will see option of add to cart. So just click on that option of add to cart. And now here just click on option of view my cart. And once you click on that, now just click on the option of continue to payment. And now here just pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. And once you pay the amount, now go to the Steam library. And on the left hand side, you'll find this game, which is the Enotria. Just click on that, then click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it and bye bye.